Do big law firms embrace or resist your services?
One of the first things we did is we went round to see the major law firms and we showed them what we had, and they really hated it. It was like asking cows what they thought about McDonald's. And
Wow.
we banged our head up against the wall for months and, well, what about this? And it just was not good. We decided to focus on the client, the people that chose which lawyers and law firms, and then the business took off, dramatically different. But oddly enough, now the lawyers are starting to come back to us. They have very little interest right now in improving themselves, but they want to know how bad the other firms are so that they can use that information to sell to clients. So I think I've done 19 pitches to the AmLaw 300 chief marketing officers, and 15 of them said yes, which is the easiest product I've ever sold. So that's been the main take-up now. They want to use it for marketing, but initially they really hated it.
And what are your thoughts on this guy?
Very much the same. I mean, we did spend near on the first year making appointments, going to see law firms, and getting disappointed time and time again, and just issue spotting.
Right.
Looking for ways to put us off. In fact, one of the early appointments we had, we even had a very, very strong financial offer to buy a controlling 51% of our business from the senior partner, who's a very well-known attorney. And in hindsight, we understand it was to park it. He really didn't like it.
Yeah.
It was fear, not...
Right,
Because this sheds a light. They've been running their businesses a certain way for a very, very long time. I'm not saying that there aren't good attorneys out there, that there certainly are.
Right.
But there's an element to the business of law that is broken.
Sure.
And yet the lawyers are able to live a very, very good life financially, even if they're not very good. But their marketing is good, their offices look nice, the clients come in. We change that.
Well, generally speaking, people don't like change, particularly when it disrupts their self-interest. And what you're doing, you're raising the bar and you're providing a much-needed service for people during some of their most vulnerable times. And if we can eliminate some of these bogus lawsuits, it's a fantastic accomplishment that you're doing. So I thank you both for your great work.
Thank you, Kathy.